Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Canva design stand out by highlighting key details, whether it's for a presentation, to infographic or social media post, this quick guide is for you. Today, I'll show you how to add a red arrow in Canva, step by step, so you can easily draw attention to the most important parts of your design. It's simple, professional, and takes less than 2 minutes once you know how. Let's jump right in. Accessing arrows first, open your design in Canva. This can be any project, from a YouTube thumbnail to a PowerPoint slide. On the left-hand panel, click on Elements. Now go to the search bar at the top and type arrow. You'll see a variety of arrow designs: solid, curved, outlined, hand-drawn styles, and more. Pick the one that best fits your design style. Just click on the arrow you like and it'll appear right on your canvas. Once your arrow is on the canvas, click on it to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box or resize handles around it. Now, look up at the toolbar at the top and click on the color icon. It's a small colored square that shows your arrow's current color. A color palette will pop up. From here, simply choose red, either from the default colors or by adding your own custom shade using the color picker or hex code. As soon as you click red, your arrow instantly updates to that color. Super easy. Next, position your arrow exactly where you want it. Click and drag to move it around the canvas. To resize it, drag any of the corner handles in or out until it fits perfectly. You can even rotate the arrow by using the small rotate icon just below it. This helps you point precisely at the element you're emphasizing. And that's it. You've just learned how to add, recolor, and adjust a red arrow in Canva like a pro. It's a small touch, but it makes a huge difference in grabbing attention and improving your overall design flow. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick Canva and design tips, and drop a comment if there's a feature you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.